Transcription is the process of unwinding DNA and copying its information onto mRNA in the nucleus. DNA nucleotides are A, T, C, and G. First, RNA polymerase unwinds DNA and synthesizes mRNA using DNA as a template. mRNA nucleotides are A, U, C, and G. In RNA, U replaces T. After transcription, the mRNA goes to the rough endoplasmic reticulum and into a ribosome for translation. Translation is the process of creating proteins using mRNA. The mRNA enters the ribosome, where the ribosome reads codons inside the mRNA, which is a sequence of 3 bases that codes for an amino acid. Then tRNA carries an amino acid to the ribosome, where its anticodon goes to match the codon. The amino acids are building blocks of proteins that are linked together in a chain. A polypeptide protein is a chain of amino acids that are folded into a protein.
Gel electrophoresis. Gel electrophoresis is a lab technique used to separate DNA, RNA, or proteins. How does it work? Gel electrophoresis uses an electric field with one end of the gel positively charged and the other negatively charged. Negatively charged DNA and RNA migrate towards the positive end. The first step in electrophoresis is preparing the samples and loading buffer. Then you load the gel box with a running buffer. After that, you pipette the samples into the well, which actually run the gel. Then finally, you visualize your proteins and DNA. Analyzing DNA fragments after digestion with restriction enzymes can identify genetic markers for health-related conditions. Using this can help analyze Anna Garcia's health condition, which is diabetes.
Anna Garcia's cause of death. We believe Anna Garcia's death was accidental, caused mainly by rattlesnake venom.
Before her lab experiment, she was playing soccer and she got fouled. Should have been a red card, which has caused her to get injured. The following injury has caused cuts on her right hand and bleeding on her forehead. Here are the trace evidence.
We think Anna Garcia accidentally allowed the rattlesnake venom she was working with to enter her body, causing her death. In the crime scene, her body was shown to have cuts on her right hand glove, which held a flask that could have contained venom, and that venom could have gone through the glove and into any possible cuts that were present on her left hand. She also didn't have a glove on her right hand. We believe the reason was because she had cuts on her hand. We also are aware that she took pills that might have caused her to not be in the right state of mind. These pills, the head injury, and the venom all combined were contributing factors to her death. She also had vomit present next to her, which is a common symptom of rattlesnake venom in a person's body.